Python, append to list owned by an instance stored in shelved dictionary. So I'm writing a script to keep track of my correspondence. It takes the name of someone who emailed me, looks for its associated friend object in a shelved dictionary of friend instances, or creates itself a new instance and stores it in the dictionary, then appends the current time to that instance's list of timestamps. So for example, if the script runs with John Citizen as the input, it finds the key John Citizen in the dictionary, gets the instance associated with that key, goes to that instance's list and appends to that list a timestamp. This is all working as I want it to, except for the appending. Here's the friend object. Here's the global function that processes the input into a name string. The input comes from AppleScript and is always in this format. And then here's the script handling that full_name string. I've tried to debug it and full_name in shelf evaluates to true and the problem is still happening. I just can't seem to get that self.timestamps list to populate. I would really appreciate any help.
Append answered this. Objects in the shelf need to be removed from the shelf, assigned to a name, mutated to add timestamp, then put back in the shelf. This code works fine.
You need to extract, mutate and store the object back in the shelf to persist it. E.g. You can see an example of this in the Python docs. The other option is pass the writeback parameter as true to shelve.open and it will allow you to write to the keys directly.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.